Hi beauties, I'm Keirra and I represent the Sephora in Towson Mall in Maryland. Today I'll be showing you my nighttime skin routine. I have oily to combination skin, so this routine is perfect if you want to keep your skin balanced. If you would like to see more, please continue to watch. So first I'm going to start with my Lancome Bifacil Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. So you want to shake the product really good and then you can apply it to a cotton round. You really want to press this gently onto the skin and really work in the product to remove all of the makeup. So now I'm just going to saturate a cotton bud with the Bifacil Makeup Remover and I'm going to lightly press that on my lash line. And this is going to remove any residue of the glue and so my false lashes can gently come off. So you don't want to tug or pull, you just want to keep working this product into your lash line. And then I'm going to go back in with the cotton rounds and just give it one last saturation. I really love this because it removes all of my waterproof eye makeup. It's very gentle to the skin and it doesn't leave any residue when I'm finished. So next I'm going to use my Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Clay Cleanser, and it's a gel cleanser that's going to break down all of my makeup. I apply it to my dry skin and I give myself a nice massage, and then I'm going to remove any residue with my washcloth. Next, I'm going to double cleanse and I'm going to be using my Foreo Luna 2 for sensitive skin, and I'm also going to be using the Ole Henriksen The Clean Truth Foaming Cleanser. So I start with damp skin and I pump the cleanser directly onto the Foreo. So this is fully waterproof and you can customize it to your liking. So this is going to deeply cleanse the skin and it feels really nice when I use this product. I love this product because it removes blemish-causing impurities for a brighter, clearer skin. What's great about double cleansing is that will really remove all of your makeup. Next, I'm going to take my Ole Henriksen Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner. Now, this is going to target all my fine lines and uneven skin texture, as well as my dark spots. And I apply this to a cotton round and I lightly sweep it across my face. Next, I'm going to take the Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiant Serum. And what's really great about this product is that it's proven to be 62 times more effective than vitamin C. And that's going to really help with the dark spots and it's going to boost the radiance in your skin. Now I'm going to take my Kiehl's Since 1851 Midnight Recovery Eye. This is a lightweight serum that's going to help with my dark circles and any puffiness that I may have. I'm going to take it around my entire orbital bone. I'm going to use my ring finger because it's going to give me the lightest touch. So now this is my absolute favorite. This is the Herbivore Lapis Face Oil. I really love this oil because it just keeps my skin balanced. It's going to improve any blemishes that I have, and I find that this helps me prevent any acne. So I'm going to lightly press it into my skin, and I'm also going to apply some to my neck in an upward motion. Next is the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. So I love this lip mask because it keeps my lips comfortable and moisturized throughout the night. Lastly, I'm going to take my Grande Cosmetics Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. And this serum just promotes healthier, longer, thicker looking lashes. And I never forget this step. And you can apply it just like you would apply any liner. Just one swipe is all you need. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe. And if you use any of the products that I've used in the video, let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.